Hello Halloween enthusiasts, welcome back to Eccentric by Design, the place where creativity knows no bounds. We're making 5 spooktacular Halloween treat bags that will steal the show at any trick-or-treating event. Let's dive right in with treat bag number 1. For our first Halloween treat bag, we'll be crafting this cute, ghastly ghost bag. You'll need a small white paper bag, black construction paper, scissors, glue, and a marker. Draw ghostly eyes and a mouth on the black paper. Cut it out, then glue it onto the white bag. Your ghastly ghost treat bag is ready to fill with goodies. Now, let's move on to the next one. For treat bag number 2, let's create the spooky spiderweb bag. Gather a black gift bag, white craft glue, and silver glitter. Use the glue to draw a spiderweb design on the bag, then sprinkle silver glitter to give it a spooky touch. This spooky spiderweb bag is perfect for trick-or-treating. Next up is the witch hat surprise bag. Create the hat cone. Start with the black construction paper. Cut out a large circle, which will be the base of the witch hat. The size of the circle will determine the size of the hat. You can use a dinner plate as a template to trace a circle. Cut and shape the cone. With the circle cut out, cut a straight line from the edge of the circle to the center. This will create a cone shape when you overlap the cut edges. Overlap the edges and glue them together, creating the pointed witch hat shape. Using the witch treat bag you just created, purple tissue paper, and a black ribbon. Fill the bag with candies, wrap it in purple tissue paper, and tie it shut with a black ribbon. Just like a witch's hat. Now we have a witch hat surprise bag, ready to delight. The Monster Mash bag is our 4th treat bag. Find a green paper bag, googly eyes, black construction paper, and glue. Glue the googly eyes onto the bag and cut out jagged teeth from the black paper to create a monster's face. Fill the bag with treats, and we've got a Monster Mash bag, ready for some spooky fun. Lastly, let's make the creepy cauldron bag. Create the handle, optional. If you want to add a handle to your cauldron treat bag, cut a piece of ribbon or twine to your desired handle length. Attach the ends of the handle to opposite sides of the cauldron using craft glue. Make sure it's secure and allow the glue to dry before proceeding. Cut the cauldron's rim. Take the green or black construction paper or cardstock and cut out a strip that's wide enough to serve as the cauldron's rim. The length should be long enough to go around the top edge of the cauldron. If you're making a large cauldron, you might need to glue multiple strips together to achieve the desired length. Decorate the cauldron rim. Get creative and decorate the strip you've just cut. You can add Halloween-themed designs or write a spooky message using markers, stickers, or glitter. Attach the cauldron rim. Once you're satisfied with the design, use craft glue to attach the decorated strip around the top edge of the cauldron. Allow it to dry completely. Using the cauldron-shaped treat bag you created, green tissue paper, and a black ribbon. Stuff the bag with goodies, cover it with green tissue paper, and secure it with a black ribbon for a cauldron effect. 5 unique and spine-tingling Halloween treat bags to elevate your trick-or-treating game. Personalize your treat bags to make Halloween extra special. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join our Eccentric by Design DIY community. Thanks for watching, and have a spooktacular Halloween. This is Eccentric by Design, signing off.